Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. How the Bhurji Pav is a popular street food of Mumbai, the boiled egg tikka with pav is a unique, delicious street food of Baroda. Let's see how to make this amazing street food. So we're going to make this recipe with butter. I love butter. 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to quickly just add some dry red chillies to this. Saute it for a few seconds. And I'm going to add 3 finely chopped onions. And we're going to saute this for at least 4 to 5 minutes on a high flame. The onions have browned, caramelized well. Let's add crushed ginger, garlic and chili paste. So I've taken 1 inch of ginger, 7 cloves of garlic and 5 green chilies. Let's add this. Saute this for a minute. Time to add 3 chopped tomatoes. So while I'm sauteing the masala, I'm mashing it as well. Let's add a tablespoon of butter. Time to add the spices. I'm going to add a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. We have to add 2 teaspoons of Anda Masala Powder. The recipe of this is given in the description. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this because I don't want the masalas to burn. Let's sprinkle some salt. Let's add some finely chopped coriander, 4 boiled eggs chopped, a little bit of butter more. This is street food, so it is going to be a little unhealthy, but trust me, absolutely delicious. So the boiled egg tikka is ready. Let's get this out. Just going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. I have some sliced onions here, a wedge of lemon. Let's warm up some bread. So I have pav here. So our boiled egg tikka with pav is ready to be served. You can have it as a snack or for a meal or pack it for your lunch. Do try this recipe and let me know. Keep watching Get Curried.